Okay.
So thank you very much, Mr. Handy. So I will start the meeting with my personal best. So this is so this card is a continuation. I mean, created since the last time I had the online meeting.
Okay.
So I had very nice insights in technology, especially about cloud service, Google Cloud, AWS, and etc., which you have shown the video to interns. They also practice HTML, CSS, and JavaScript just to, get in terms of styling. And recently, I sorry. So recently, I managed to fix GraphQL, the GraphQL image upload issue, which I posted in Altair GitHub issue. So and I got a reply from the the creator of Altair.
Can you show
saying
it?
That.
Can you show it?
Oh, okay, sir. Excuse me, I will stop sharing first.
Okay. So was it a problem with Strapi or with Altair?
Oh, I'm really sorry to have not replied to your Rocket Chat notification. Actually, I just got your notification from Rocket Chat, just right before this meeting started.
Okay.
So I think I should explain it not from scratch, but okay.
Okay, you can open the issue with Altair.
Oh, I have not signed in. So this is what I posted on the issue of Altair.
Okay.
So first I explained the current behavior. I'm using Strapi, the issue that I have posted.
Okay.
I explained the current behavior, which forced me to use Altair client as GraphQL Playground at the time does not support file upload. And then this is the condition which I took the image from the YouTube, and I can see the problem here. So first, let's just continue.
Okay.
So the problem at the time I posted this issue was the loading state was taking too long.
Okay.
And then it made no sense. And then here I explained the steps to reproduce. I mean, I tried to explain step by step how did it happen, how it happened. I mean, so I installed Altair, opened it, run my Strapi, and then I ensured that my GraphQL, I mean my Strapi, the server was running properly. Then on the Altair client, I provided query as documented in the GraphQL playground, and it looked like this, and it should have worked. However, it didn't.
Okay.
And it should send. I mean, first I run login. I'm sorry. This is not authenticated image upload yet. So oh, excuse me. So let me explain once more.
Mm-hmm.
So I at the time I required permission. Strapi required permission to upload, which what I mean was JWT, but yeah, the JWT was never a problem. So I set the header, the JWT, and ran the query. Even so, yeah, I got these errors,
Okay.
and
That's good.
then
Yeah,
yeah, and
that's
then
good. Yeah, when you disable authentication, because that is one thing less to worry about.
oh yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah,
And then
that's good.
yeah, I wrote the environment I was in.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, however, in this issue, my node was version 14.
Mm-hmm.
So currently it is LTS, stable
Okay.
version. Yeah, 12. And he replied that he went through the video that I sent, but he doesn't use Strapi personally, so he didn't say much about that.
Mm-hmm.
And he said that it was not very clear what happened. Yeah, I can't agree more with this statement. I didn't even have no idea of what happened when the loading state was keep running. And he suggested to open up developer tool in Altair and then check the network tab, which we did um, in the video that we posted maybe more than 1 month ago,
Mm-hmm.
but we didn't discover the error.
Mm-hmm.
And then yeah, the key were in the network tab in the console tab. um, although I found the issue, not issue, but how to fix the issue here. So
Very good.
first, back to the last thing that I said,
Mm-hmm.
the key were in the network tab and the console tab, but yeah, I still have no idea about what he said.
Mm-hmm.
So I discovered, just random search in the search bar, looking for Strapi upload in all GitHub, and I did this one by one until yeah, the
That's good.
last page of that last part of pagination, and I found a single repository that may help, was owned by Jimmy Kanegara, Strapi Rec GraphQL upload, and um, basically, uh, I didn't clone or coded exactly the same as he did.
Mm-hmm.
Instead, I got the idea from his repository, which stated, which is, I think, in my opinion, which is uh, an issue in Strapi as well. So here,
Mm-hmm.
uh, so in case of authenticated upload, let me send request first.
Mm-hmm.
So here I got the JWT, and here I will create an upload query. Okay, let me create variables. So I will input the required variables first and then define variables after this. Field and then the file. I only want the name right now, and I will define it here. So because I don't remember what it requires, I will look at the docs and search for the upload, this single upload. Where is it? Here. FID. Oops. Forgot the $sign. And the ref is string. The field is string as well. I don't have source, so I will skip that. The file is upload, but it is required. So I will give an exclamation mark here. All right. And then inside the variables, I don't remember the ref ID. I will just copy and paste it from the existing user. Okay. Oh, let me get another user because he has already photos. He has photos uploaded. Instead, I will use this ref ID and then paste it here. So for the ref, I think, I will just fill this to this one, ID card verification. ID. I'm sorry, I'm taking long, but I want to explain what I explored from scratch.
It's okay. I'm
So
listening.
the
I also want to know.
face photo.
Especially because I value process more than
Oh,
just result. Yeah.
oh, thank you, sir. Yeah, it took me days. So for file, I will refer here and choose some file. I hope, let me check for the permission. So currently, just for development process in local, I have not given permission. Okay, so I need JWT. I just need to copy paste from the previous query that I have run. It's not working. What is happening? All right. Hierarchy is authorization. Bearer for prefix, and I will be paste that. Okay. So now I should get an error. I hope so. The exactly same error that I got when I had an internship in the office. So uh, this is because before you said the naming convention is without hyphen or dash or space. So first I renamed this ID card verification, and then I changed this to ID card verification as you suggested. But in fact, in the API folder, uh, the name still remains. It still sticks to the old one. So it's not ID card verification. Instead of that, I need to put it like this. ID dash card as verification is same as without S, and then hopefully I can send a request, and I got HTTP 200, and if ID belongs to my with name Marie.
Good job. Okay. Okay.
It
Congratulations.
should have the face photo. The
Mm.
photo is male here.
Mm.
So it was just the issue was with the naming
Okay.
problem. But
Okay.
however, if I rename it, it doesn't change in Strapi. Is it an
Okay.
issue for Strapi?
Okay. Maybe after this, you can. First of all, what you should do is that you should report this to Strapi, because although
Mhm.
yeah, uh, it's the fault of the user. However, the error message is very confusing. Okay, it will be much easier if the error message is something like cannot find the rough code ID card verification something. Yeah, so that will be
Uh,
much easier to diagnose that the problem is with that. Okay, not like association error or something. Okay, so I
I
would
have no
say that
idea about it.
yeah. So I would say that first, please report that to Strapi. You can
Mm.
use your previous video, and then you can describe that the solution is actually to change the ref to match. But the problem
Mm.
here is not that the Strapi gave an error, but the problem is that Strapi gave a confusing error that can be improved to make to make the developer understand better what the Strapi is complaining about. So please report that to Strapi.
Okay, sir.
And to answer your second question, I would say uh, please try creating a new
Mm.
content type. Maybe you can call it ID card verification 2, and then you can with the similar schema and see what is different about it. Okay, but
Without spacer.
yeah, still
Make
without
it
space, because I think this, yeah, something like this. And then you
okay.
see what kind of folder name is created and so on. And yeah, you can you can basically like make another content type, but with the exact same schema. Because if I remember correctly, it should use the uh, camel case naming convention.
Mm-hmm.
But if in the ref field, it still needs the lowercase with dash, then I think, yeah, that's what should happen. Okay, can you check in the code, Visual Studio Code, what is the folder that is created for ID card verification 2?
Pardon?
Can you check in Visual Studio Code what is the folder that is created?
So here's the for ID dash card dash verification. Oh, it's. I think it's a bit weird because I named it with camel case. However, it has dash between words.
Yeah, I think it's called
I
inflection.
don't
So
have, yeah.
that's so Strapi is actually doing it by itself. So
It,
it expects the camel case
inflection.
convention. Yeah, inflection. It's called inflection. Yeah, inflection in programming. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, maybe I will read that later. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, I
Okay.
would say a good job for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your help.
Okay. So that means that you can continue to work on the client, right? And actually, this meeting has to end soon.
Hello?
Yeah, this meeting has to end soon because I still have something else that I need to do. But yeah,
Okay, sir.
congratulations, yeah, for solving this bug.
Thank
Really,
you, sir.
really good job. This is a very hard bug to find the issue, but yeah, as I have probably have told you so many times, you can diagnose a bug for hours or even days or even weeks, but when you found the cause, yeah, it may be like a few seconds to correct the bug. Okay.
But yeah, I was
Okay, and you are also breaking here. All right,
in the.
please conclude the meeting then, because I also cannot hear your voice clearly.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you very much. I have so
Okay.
so